Across the world, mothers have always turned to nature to help them with breastfeeding. In India, Ayurveda prescribes herbs like shatavari and fenugreek. In Kuwait and in the Middle Eastern countries, they help mothers sip on warming blends of anise, fennel, and caraway. Now, what's fascinating is that even though these two cultures are way apart, yet modern science confirms their wisdom proves out to be on the same point. That is, herbs can actually truly support milk supply and milk flow and also help in the mother's healing journey. Welcome to Healthy Beginnings Initiative, and I am Hilda, your lactation counselor and your transformational genomic wellness consultant. Today, in this video, let us learn more about herbs and how they help a breastfeeding mother in her breastfeeding journey. In India, Ayurveda classifies certain herbs as milk promoting. For example, Shatavari, it helps to balance the hormones and it also helps to boost prolactin and it helps the mom to be emotionally calm. Fenugreek, on the other hand, it actually strengthens digestion and it boosts the milk ducts to produce the milk. Fennel and cumin, when they are added like jeera water or postpartum laddus, they help to aid in recovery for the mother and in lactation. These herbs are normally often included in the postpartum rituals and these are given to new mothers. In Kuwait, mothers they traditionally receive the 40-day postpartum rest. During this rest period, they are given certain herbs as teas. The common practices actually include herbal teas made out of yansun, anise, or shumar, fennel, or karawiya, caraway, and halba or fenugreek. Now, these herbs are very warming in nature and these they help to cleanse the womb and they enhance the milk production. For example, the caraway drink is a sweet spiced caraway tea. It is often served to mothers to boost the lactation and to comfort their digestion. So just like Ayurveda, the Middle Eastern system, they also value warmth, nourishment, and emotional support for the mothers. Modern science confirms the presence of these herbs also in their literature, such as fenugreek, it helps to boost prolactin, and clinical trials have actually shown that they increase the milk supply. Shatavari is a proven galactagogue, meaning it improves the mother's recovery and also helps in milk production. Fennel and anise they contain phytoestrogens and essential oils. Now these help to relax the smooth muscles in the mother's body and they stimulate the milk ducts and they also reduce colic in the infants. Also, caraway is actually shown to improve digestion and enhance the milk flavor and also it makes it soothing for the baby. So isn't it fascinating that Indian Ayurveda and Kuwaiti traditions, even though thousands of kilometers away, they arrive at the same herbs and principles long before even modern science has confirmed them. So, how about trying some practical application of these herbs? Let's try a simple recipe or a herbal tea. So, for this, take 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, and all of these we need to simmer or slowly boil them in 2 cups of water for over 10 minutes. Then strain this and sip this decoction or this water twice daily and take it as a warm drink. On the other hand, we can try shatavari. Normally, shatavari is available as a powder form, so you can try taking half teaspoon of shatavari powder in 1 cup of warm milk. Also, shatavari can be taken as capsules or granules, but these need to be taken under the guidance of a medical practitioner. The important note here is while these herbs are really powerful, every mother's body is unique. So, always we need to consult a healthcare provider before we start taking supplements. So, trying to make herbal teas or tasty laddus out of these herbs, these are when they help the mother the most. So, whether we are in India or in Kuwait, sipping that caraway tea or having those tasty laddus, they are part of the universal truth that nature gives us everything that we need to nourish the next generation. So these herbs are more than just plants. They are actually the bridge between our ancient culture, modern science, and your personal motherhood journey. If you found this video powerful and informative and helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and do send this to your friends and family who could benefit from this information. And we will meet each other in the next video.